Buying a gaming PC doesn't have to be complicated. While building a PC isn't as complex as it may sound, opting for pre-built configurations from brands like HP, MSI, or Alienware is a great one-stop way to get the most value out of your gaming PC and guarantee you'll get your hands on popular components like RTX 30 and RTX 40 series graphics cards. So, are you ready to find the best gaming PC for your needs? And here are the top 5 best gaming PCs you can buy in 2023. For more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Thermaltake Reactor 380 Gaming PC. The Thermaltake Reactor 380 skirts the line of what GameRant would consider a budget PC, but for gamers looking for 1440 pixel gaming for under $1,900, this computer is the one to go for. This Thermaltake Reactor 380 is powered by a RTX 3080 GPU and Ryzen 7 5800X CPU that's liquid-cooled by Thermaltake's own 120mm ARGB AIO. The desktop features 16 GB of Thermaltake's RGB DDR4 tough RAM, along with a 1TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD. The system gets its juice from a Thermaltake 750W 80+ gold PSU. Thanks to the ultra-powerful CPU combined with the RTX 3080, users can expect to play games with no worry about a low frame rate. Perhaps the most impressive thing about the Reactor 380 is its Tower 100 case, which has glass on 3 sides to give you a great view of the light show inside. It also has some mesh siding also for increased airflow. It also has a front panel with 2 USB Type-A ports and 1 USB Type-C connection. Plus, for fans of RGB lighting, this case is absolutely filled with it. Overall, the Thermaltake Reactor 380 gaming PC desktop offers more than just performance. MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop. The MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop is recommendation for the best overall pre-built gaming PC. MSI puts its own components to good use in its Aegis RS mid-tower gaming desktop. The MSI Aegis RS priced at $2,000 has an Intel Alder Lake Core i7-13700KF processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, paired to an MSI Z790 motherboard with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of M2 NVMe SSD storage. It does have a mix of some of the best mid-range components on offer in 2023. It pairs its 750-watt gold PSU to an excellent case along with extra fans and a liquid cooler to polish off what is an excellent gaming PC, albeit at a higher cost than one would like to see currently for the specifications. The observation that MSI has not seemed to cut corners here like most of its competitors holds in its favor as it uses mid-range components instead of entry-level ones. All in all, the Aegis RS is an excellent system that should handle full HD or 2K gaming with ease, and also has a PSU that can easily handle an upgrade to an RTX 4070 Ti or 4080 if you are inclined to go that route in the future. HP Omen 45L. If you're in the market for a pre-built PC, HP is one of the big names that you'll end up taking a look at. But unlike some of the desktop options out there, the HP Omen 45L remains upgrade-friendly. It's big, imposing, and attention-grabbing, yet doesn't cross the line into garishness. The $2,600 HP Omen 45L comes the Intel Core i9-13900KF processor for insane computing power. That chip pairs perfectly with NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti graphics, meaning this PC is ready to play games in 4K at high frame rates with ray tracing on. Now, if that isn't enough to sell you on the HP Omen 45L, there's 16 GB of speedy DDR5 RAM, while the 1TB SSD ensures quick boots. Of course, you don't want its hot-running, high-powered components overheating, so you get 360mm liquid cooling and 3 120mm PC fans at the front of the case. Topping off this PC is a tempered glass side panel to show off all the impressive internals and 4 RGB lighting zones. In terms of connectivity, there are easy access ports on the front, 2 USB 2.0 Type-A, 2 USB Type-A, a microphone jack, and a headphone jack. On the rear, there are more ports, including 2 USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1, 2 USB 2.0 Type-A, 2 USB Type-C 3.2, LAN port and Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0. Overall, the Omen 45L looks good, it's upgradable, it has good cooling, and a well-balanced spec. If you can get it at the right price, this spec HP Omen is a great pre-built gaming PC. Corsair Vengeance i7-400. If you're an established Twitch streamer or gaming content creator, the Corsair Vengeance i7-400 is a great option for a gaming rig upgrade. It's built with an Intel Core i7-13700K processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, paired with a 32GB of Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD storage. The configuration is priced at $2,942. The latest in dynamic CPU architecture so you can game and multitask without compromise. This configuration gives you plenty of power for rendering video files and multitasking with streaming and gaming programs. The Vengeance i7-400 also features a liquid cooling system to help better dissipate waste heat and keep your components running at optimal temperatures, especially if you like to overclock your CPU. And the mid-size tower design means that it's more compact, making it perfect for smaller desks and gaming spaces. A sparse port selection along the top edge includes USB-A port, USB-C port, headphone or microphone jack, and a restart button. Around the back, you'll find the MSI Pro Z690A Wi-Fi motherboard has ample connectivity. Overall, the Corsair's Vengeance i7-400 is an elite gaming desktop that shows what you could build yourself if you were an aftermarket expert with mad skills and a big budget. Alienware Aurora R15. The Alienware design has become iconic. The Aurora R15 looks like the same machine we've had for several generations, just with updated components under the hood, but it's a deceptively big update to Alienware's storied gaming desktop. The new Alienware Aurora R15 desktop has been updated with the latest Intel 13th Gen Raptor Lake processors and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series desktop GPUs. You can get this beast with either the Intel Core i9-13900F paired with the RTX 4070 Ti graphics, and 32GB of DDR5 RAM combined with 1TB of NVMe Gen 4 SSD storage. The $3,300 Aurora R15 Eclipse easily powers up the most demanding games and applications on the highest settings and keeps your investment future-proof for the next few years. The Alienware Aurora R15's biggest updates are all about cooling. Alienware parent Dell has added in a 240mm radiator, finally moving on from a 120mm cooler, which should allow for much better CPU performance. On the one hand, we really like how many ports are accessible on the front of the Aurora, including 3 USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. All in all, the new Alienware Aurora R15 not only offers great performance but also remains cool under heavy loads.